Welcome back to my channel. This is Dehlia. If this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put out videos. If you are a long-time subscriber, then you remember that some time ago I put out an entrepreneurship video where I showed you an unboxing of my products to make lip glosses. I still make lip glosses, but I have decided to add another product or products to my little business because it's always good to evolve, rebrand, and keep it moving. I have this huge box. In the other video that I did before, I will link it down below. So without further chitty chatting, let's get into the video. The boxes are open. The things are open because I had to make sure that I got everything because there's a lot of things, and one of the things was actually missing was this. This didn't come in the box, and I had to have them send it separately, but thankfully I received it. This is a heat gun. I'll be making coasters, coaster you put a drink span. I'll be making key rings and lots of other things. You just have to stay tuned, right? But one of the first things I'm going to need is a heat gun. And this is my heat gun. This is it right here. That's the first thing that's in my box. Then eventually I'm going to need a drill. So this is my drill. It's a little drill. I wanted something that was feminine, so to speak, something that was small enough for me. So it's actually works off a lithium battery and it has a charger as well. So I'm gonna have to learn to use this because I've never used a drill before. But you'll be on this journey with me, so we'll be learning together. Alright, the next item, and it comes with other things as well. Let's see. I guess this is the battery? I don't know. But we figure it out together, right guys? Okay. Alright, the next thing I'm going to eventually need is this. It is a sander. Take it out so you guys can see it. Because this is an unboxing after all. So, hold on. Oh my God. Alright. So this is my sander. So I'll be learning to use this as well. One of the things I'll be adding to my store are these cups. These are insulated cups that keep cold things cold and warm things warm. I won't be selling them just like this. I'll be decorating them. You can have your name on it, whatever you want on it. You can have glitter, whatever, but you just have to stay tuned because I'll be making some of these on this channel as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to continue with me on this journey. It's going to be epic. The next thing we have is a cup turner, an instrument basically for helping me to decorate the cups, right? So I put it on it and it's supposed to spin slowly like this to allow me to add glitter, color, or whatever I need onto the cup. And of course, to go with my sander, I did go ahead and purchase wet and dry sanding sheets, sandpaper sheets, and finishing sandpaper sheets, right? So yeah. What else? And I have a lot of drill bits. I purchased a lot of drill bits for different size projects that I'll be doing. I'm telling you, it's going to be epic over here. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified once I start putting these videos out. So this has from the very small to the very large. Yes. So, and I also have a screwdriver set. I don't think I'll be using this one. I think I'm about to give this to Danik, my son, because yeah, I don't think think I really need this. I don't think so. I don't think I really need this. Me just enough. So I bought this unnecessarily, I guess. What the next thing I have in here, guys, is an Exacto Knife Set. So it comes with 30. It says it comes with 33 pieces. I'm not going to open. Oh, hold on. I suppose I could open it because it's actually in a case. So let's open it together. Hold on. Alright, so I can't find my other scissors. So here I am using my fabric scissors. Right? I don't know. So we're gonna open this together. But scissors not cut it. Hold on. So hold on. Okay, so it says it comes with 33 pieces of deluxe hobby knives. So this is what it looks like. This is what one of them looks like. It is sharp. It's so sharp. Sharp, man. Sharp your heart. And yeah. So alright, so we'll learn to use this together. But I think the main thing I'm going to need are just these knives. But I wanted the whole set just in case. Because we are work. You know, and a chicken wing. So what will I be making? Get to the point, right? So I'll be making key rings. So I'm starting off with letter key rings. So it's from A to Z. Yes, it's A to Z and 0 to 9. That is on this mode. Doing a video showing you how I make my first key ring, and of course it's going to be the letter D for Dehlia. Right? So make sure you stay tuned for that. I have some shapes here. So I have these ones. These are the first hearts that I have, and I have these as well. And I'll be making key rings with these. Okay. Yep. For the key rings, I bought a pack of tassels. Can you see that? Pack of tassels, and it has different colors. A lot of different colors are in here. See, a lot of them. But you'll be there with me on my journey making my first key ring. Some colors, and these are called alcohol inks. But you can't really see. Well, this looks like some dark type of color. Right, but we'll see those when we are going through. But this is, what color does this say it is? This is something yellow. This is purplish. This is purplish red. This is something yellow. This is white. This is coffee. This one is just blue. This one is peach red. So this pack comes 17 colors. So there are 17 different colors in there that we're going to be experimenting with. We are going to make some very fun items. One of those items are coasters. It's a set of 4. See? So you'll see me make these as well. So stay tuned for that. You want key rings. The key rings will be gold or silver. You can hit me up for whether a gold one or a silver one, and you choose your color tassel. And I will also have glitters. And these are flowers. These are actually real flowers. I bought these on Amazon. They're actually real flowers that were dried. I think I'm going to use these in I'll use a few of them in, yeah, I think I'm gonna put 1 or 2 into the keyring I'll be making for myself. There's more than 1 in the pack, different types. But guys, you're going to be on the journey with me, so you'll see me use all of these things, right? Yep. So bought a silver ring pen. Stay tuned to see what I do with this. Let me open. These are so pretty. These are so pretty. I think we had a blue spill, but the colors that are inside of these are so pretty. I can't, guys. These are Mica Powders. There are 15 in the pack. I can't wait to use these. They're so pretty. These are colors. These are, I don't know. These are actually for lip gloss making. There are 48 colors in there. So these ones are actually for lip gloss making, and they are so pretty. My God, they are so pretty, guys. Huh? They are so pretty. And there are assortment. There are, how many did I say? 48 colors. 48 different colors, guys. So we are going to have so much fun. So I think I'm done, guys. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. The next video will be of me making a keyring for the first time. So make sure that you subscribe for that. Turn on the notification bell, and if you're already subscribed, look out for the notification and ensure that if you're subscribed, you have the notification bell ticked. I'm so happy to be sharing this with you guys. I'm not stopping the lip gloss. I'm just adding some new items or new inventory to the business. I'm also in the process of rebranding, so you'll be here for all of that, and I'm very, very excited to share this journey with you guys, and I hope that you will stay tuned for, oh, I bought cups for mixing. So I bought these cups as well. These are just bought in a Mr. Chin here in Jamaica. So these are just for mixing the products, for pouring and stuff. But you'll see that in some popsicle sticks as well to help with the mixing, and garbage bags for protecting my surface. Yeah. And I also wanted to experiment with some acrylic paint as well. I told you I was going to start becoming more consistent, and what better way to become more consistent than to teach you guys something new, right? Right. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the like button, share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. So until next time, bye.